getting ready because we are going to Dalat. Tonight kami alis.
Picture tayo sa baba.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So, inaantay na lang namin yung Grab namin para pick upin kami. Tapos, dediretso na kami ng bus station. Okay, let's go! Baby, ikaw magdala ng luggage.
Ako? Yung tumbler kaya...
Ang dami kong dala, oh. Meron pa akong tumbler, tapos may bag ako.
May backpack ako, tapos may kape pa ako.
Ikaw ang magdala niyan. Hawak ko pa yung phone ko.
Hindi nga pa kasi yung vlog na yan eh.
I need this, ha?
Ako pa yung cellphone niya.
Bababa na kami because the Grab is already there. But my double chin.
Yeah, because you don't go to gym. Unlike me, I go to gym with Ian. And you're just gonna go to co-op to buy snacks.
Stop! Okay, that's our Grab. Ito na kami sa bus terminal. This is our bus. Oh my God, magkakahiwalay yata kami. Oh, Andre is here. Oh my God, I got scared kasi kala ko magkakahiwalay tayo. Asan sila? Saan ako?
Ian is up there.
I'm number 5 daw.
What letter?
I don't know what letter. Andito na ako sa sleeper bus. Well, ano siya, single bed, tapos meron ng kasamang blanket. It's with Andre. And I think this is 6 to 7 hours. Wait, ayusin ko lang. Smile. Time check is 10:20. Alis na yung bus. So, matutulog muna ako. Update you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning! So, kakarating lang namin dito. Time check is 5:06. So, pababa na kami. Basta kami mag-toilet. Grabe talaga yung bus. Medyo nakakatakot siya kasi mabilis siya mag-drive. Pero okay lang yun. Ang saya na experience ng sleeper bus. Inaantay na lang namin ngayon yung Grab. They'll pick us up para dalhin kami sa hotel. So, later again.
We just got inside now our Grab car. It's good because the Grab driver doesn't have their AC on. It's already very cold outside, and since his window's like fully closed, fully open, then you already feel like the cold air blowing.
Kakababa lang namin sa Grab. And this is our hotel. Going na. Baby! Baby, good morning. Good morning. This is our bed. Our room. Yeah. Look. Going now. Saan muna tayo pupunta?
Kiosk Cafe.
We're going to Kyok Cafe. Time check, it's 7 AM. Temperature pa is 18 degrees. Pero mamaya mga 9 AM, it's gonna be 20. We're just waiting for our Grab. Kasi pupunta na kami ng city center. Okay, see you there!
Baby. Trey. Say hi.
We're here at the G Village. Pupunta kami doon sa taas. Dito. And I think merong ticket. Hindi ko alam kung anong ticket pero bumibili na siya. Dito na kami sa taas. So, ito yung may babayaran kang ticket which is 100,000 dong na may kasamang coffee or cake. So, ito yung taas niya. Such a nice place. So hi! We're at Kiok here in Dalat. This is our first stop. So I got this. Is peachy, lychee tea. And he got cupcake.
I don't know what it is, but it has sausage inside. Not really inside.
Good.
How is it? It's not right.
Can I try?
Sakay na ulit kami ng Grab. Pupunta naman kami sa Alpine. So, yun. See you! Ay, Sarah. Grab bike lang ako. So nice. It's good. Oh my gosh. We're claiming our tickets na. Nag-book kami sa Klook. Nag-grab bike siya papunta dito. Is it fun?
Yeah. Here's our ticket na.
Yeah, we got our ticket na. So this is the coaster. I'm so excited!
This is my first time.
Yeah, it's our
Okay. Baby.
Hala! Hala! Hala ka! Faster! Wow! Hala ka!
Ready for picture, baby, picture. Smile. Here.
Ay, here pala. Hi! Oh my God! Ang excited! Oh my God! Okay, so that's the end of the first trip.
We will go up
Papunta kasi
don't
ng
throw your
ano,
ticket.
pupuntahan na yung falls.
Yeah. We
Then
will go.
after that, after namin makita yung falls, babalik na ulit kami doon. So, sasakay ulit kami dyan sa coaster. Grabe, ang saya! Super saya. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito. So nice!
So, emo pa.
So, babalik na kami sa entrance kanina, dun sa pinuntahan namin. Round trip kasi siya. So, babalik na kami doon. Ang ganda dito, sobra, and mas malamig compared dun sa kapila. We're going back na. So fun! Dito kami sa Dalat Night Market. Pero it's open na.
Old na.
It's open na kasi siya ng ganitong oras. Pero night market daw to sa Dalat. Grabe, ang gaganda ng mga jackets doon, oh. Ang lamig din.
Ang ganda. It's not yet.
Look at all the strawberries. It's so nice.
Oh, there's berries.
Ah? Also berries. So, bumili ako ng plum cherry. I wanted to try this. Sarap!
Sarap? Really?
Tamis, wow! This is 100,000 dong. So it's 200 pesos. Sarap niya ang tamis.
Can I try?
We're gonna have lunch muna and we're gonna walk na lang kasi it's nearby lang naman dito.
Ayun o, Piatin Bang.
It's just 13 minutes walk. Maglalakad na lang kami para makita rin namin yung mga iba't ibang eksena dito sa Dalat. Lapit lang naman. Pero ang ganda dito. Like super. Naglalakad pa rin kami going sa V Cafe Restaurant. Actually, umikot lang kami kanina. Hindi namin alam na sa iba pala kami pinapadaan ni Google Maps. So, medyo umikot kami. Finally here at V Cafe Hotel. Ay, Nara Hotel. It's a restaurant pala. The Cafe Restaurant. It's a Italian restaurant. It's here. Let's go up. Oh. Wow. It's nice.
This?
Dumating na yung 2 pizza namin. It's here. This one is 3 cheese pizza. Classic pepperoni. Nakalimutan ko palang ipakita. This pala, one of their menu. This is V Cafe. So, it's highly recommended daw. Kaya, trinay namin. Okay, so ito na yung mga order namin. This is pork chops, beef lasagna, classic pepperoni, 3 cheese, and Gordon Ramsay inspired na angry wings. We are here at Still Cafe. It's actually near our hotel. We're just gonna check this out. Okay, let's go. Baby. Here's koi fish. Wow, it's so nice in here. They have food here then. There's cafe. Iba't ibang stores pala ang nandito. There's cafe, there's restaurants, there's ice cream shop. I thought it's just a cafe, pero ano pala, different stores. Kala ko isang cafe lang to. Different stores pala. You're welcome. We're here sa Still Cafe and we ordered...
Bonbon.
I ordered this one. This is Chucha. It's a bestseller. It's chocolate and matcha together. And your order is the Cafe Sua, the traditional coffee here in Vietnam. So let's try the Chucha.
After the one, I like it. Kasi honey yung ginamit nila. Sugar.
Should I mix it or no?
Okay, let us enjoy. Dito muna kami and rest for a little.
So tastes
Later,
like matcha kasi yung matcha yung nasa
we're gonna
ilalim.
go in this
So should I mix it?
change clothes.
Hi, good morning. It's our second day here at Dalat. Going to the Happy Hill. Then we're gonna eat lunch na rin. I think sa Happy Hill. Happy Hill or Happy Hill? I don't know. Dito kami sa city center ng Dalat. We're going to try the choco sa hot chocolate drink. Here, this one. Yeah, that's that choco. Pasok na kami sa loob ng the choco. Come, let's go. You can try all the different kinds of chocolate.
I also want to try coconut.
There's also flavor. You wanna try it?
Matcha's super good. My last one, I'm just gonna try coconut.
You try?
The coconut.
Maybe I'm gonna...
Banana.
It's good.
So good.
Try it.
Try matcha's so good, baby.
Sarap. That's in your mouth talaga. This one's the matcha naman. Sobrang sarap ng mga chocolates nila for samples.
Yeah, the matcha.
Yeah. We love the matcha and the sweet. The sweet is, I think this is the original.
The berry is good. Did you try the berry?
Yeah, the berry is also good.
Wait,
And also the coconut.
now it's mine.
So, dito na yung order namin. Yes. What did you order, baby?
Hot coconut.
Hot chocolate with cocoa.
It's our order.
Hot chocolate already. Iced chocolate and si Charlie's order now.
So, let's try.
Oh, bitter yung taste. I don't really like it. Super
Oh no!
So this one is
Dark
really
chocolate.
good.
So good.
Is it good?
Hi everyone! So we're already here at Happy Hill here in Dalat, Vietnam. Layo niya sa city center, parang 25 minutes away. And nasa pinakatuktok na siya.
Sana pala nag-try tayo ng ganun. Island hopping.
Really?
Oo, may nag-island
Oo,
hopping.
ayun no. So we are here na in Happy Hill.
Kasi naramdaman ko kasi para siyang babagsak.
We're inside na. Hey! Sobrang ganda ng place. And daming flowers. Also yung lake, nakakaganda rin. Grabe, sobrang daming flowers. And ang saya pumunta kasi malamig yung hangin. Very relaxing. So, bago ka pumasok pala is mag-order ka muna. Ang drink nila is 100,000 dong. I think. Okay, thank you. I think kasama na kasi yung entrance, kaya ganun siya kamahal. 100,000 dong. Pero worth it naman kasi ang ganda ng place, sobra. Kung hindi lang kami nagmamadali kasi ang bus trip namin is 3 PM again. So, kung hindi kami nagmamadali is pwede kami magstay dito. Kaya lang kasi nga, medyo malayo siya sa city. Pero, yun. Visit kayo dito kapag pupunta kayo ng Vietnam. Picture na lang. Tapos na kami dito sa Happy Hill. Then, nag-book na kami ng Grab kasi nga, as I said earlier, we have a plane to catch. We have a bus to catch. We have a bus to catch. Kasi nga 3 PM yung alis ng bus namin. Pabalik ng Saigon. So, yun lang. Pag nagpunta ulit kami dito sa Dalat, for sure babalik kami dito sa Happy Hill. Because it's a great place and it's a great experience for us. Nakahingal lang kasi ang taas niya. So, see you later! That's so mean! Iniwan niya yung tumbler ko sa Happy Hill. That's my tumbler for 7 years. 7 years? 6 years pala, sorry.
5 ka lang.
6 na.
Kasi hindi siya nag-start
kasi 2021 yun eh.
6 years and it 6 years and it barely got damaged.
2025 na ngayon.
Oh, 2021, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's
6
my tumbler
years.
for 4 years pala.
4 years and it
But
barely
it feels like forever. It feels like tumbler ko na siya since I was a kid.
I'm gonna ask you a question.
What?
How about the tumbler you lost in Japan?
the black one.
It's a 1-month-old lang.
No, but that tumbler is... Hi, this is the end of our Dalat trip. We super enjoyed it and we ate a lot. So see you again, Dalat.